Assalamu alaikum to all the viewers and welcome to Learn Technicals. I am your host Adnan. Today I would like to give a brief introduction of my YouTube channel under the name of Learn Technicals. However, there are variety of channels available on YouTube to providing a technical information, but on my channel you will get a new tips, content making, content editing, Google AdSense and policies, and how to use a new software which will help us and enhance your job knowledge and skills. So my channel will help the viewers to grow their future learning for their professional life and to utilize their precious time for their learning as well. Keeping the learning of the future with us, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button so you will get the notify of our sessions which we will continue a long journey with you, and I hope you will like this intro video from our side, and thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.